A husband's role is to, the Bible says, love their wives as Christ loved the church and laid down his life for the church. Can you lay down your life for this person you're asking to follow you? Let me tell you what laying down your life looks like. I pastored a church in Austria, and I was starting to develop some standing in the community. And my wife, who at the time had graduated from pharmacy school, struggled with the language. She couldn't speak German, and in Austria, to practice pharmacy, you have to go back first to language school, then to pharmacy school. But that was fine, I was doing well. But she was at home, and she was just sitting down there with the child. We could have stayed in Austria. But she said to me, this is what I want for my life. I want to do this and I want to do that. And around the same time, we went to visit my father in Mozambique, and for some reason they got us visas to come to America. And she said, I would love to live in America. I said, okay, let me go and pray about it. And I went and I prayed about it, and God said, go. I went to pray about leaving Austria because of my wife. I saw her unhappiness, and her unhappiness was not comfortable for me. That's what a husband does. But if I was just thinking about myself, the church, I'm pastoring the church here, you follow your husband, stay here, I would never have come to America. So when you say your wife does not want to follow you, now when I tell AK, we're moving, AK is going to follow me because she knows that I have factored her, I have planned for her, I have done everything required to make sure that she's blessed in that move. So the question I'm asking you is, where is she following you to? Where are you leading her to?